Hi guys and welcome back to my video. This is Mike Taviop and sa araw na ito ay mag-unbox tayo, mag-review at mag-test ng isang vacuum cleaner. So anong klaseng vacuum? Well, it's a wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Ito ay ang Lotus. It's a trusted brand. It's Lotus 3 gallons or nearly 12 liters na wet and dry vacuum cleaner. So ano ba ibig sabihin ng wet and dry? Pag sinabing dry, yun ang typical na vacuum cleaner na mostly dust and other particulates na hinihigop when you're cleaning. Pero yung sinasabing wet, so waterproof pa siya, no? It's actually yung naglilinis ka ng foam, yung car, yung carpet, at iba pa which is wet, so it can take in wet and also dry. So two birds in one stone. Parang ganun, 2 birds in one stone. Okay, so without further ado, mag-unbox na tayo ng ating 3 gallon na Lotus wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Before that, I will also put the links down below kung saan po ito nabili sa Shopee. Napakamura. Medyo mahal. I'll just put the links down below and also there will be timestamps and so. So let's go with the unboxing. When looking at it, I'm sure familiar kayo sa mga industrial level na vacuum cleaning. Industrial level vacuum cleaners, and sa mukha ito, this is actually a smaller version of that, yung malaki na industrial vacuum cleaners. So ito ay pang home use, pwede na pang industrial use, pero mostly pang home use na talaga ito. Pero Mike, bakit Lotus yung kinuha mo? Meron naman mas mura. The problem kasi, when I look at the ratings, maraming masasabi within 15 minutes lang of usage, madaling nag-overheat. So, I did not take the risk of buying something cheaper, pero hindi naman maglalast. So, I went with the Lotus brand kasi proven and tested ko na to. Though yung binili ko is blower, yung para sa PC, ng paglinis, yung dust. Ito naman is ang yung vacuum. So napaka-trusted ng Lotus na brand. And it's also one of the medyo cheaper side of the industrial tools na like for grinder set, for drill set, pang ganun. This is on the cheaper side compared to the others, but the quality is great. So ito ay yung Lotus 3 gallons wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Yung power niya is 1,100 watts, so malaki talaga. But compared sa ibang brands na mas cheaper sa Shopee, meron 1,600, 1,800, and in terms of yung pressure ng suction niya is the same lang or di mas better itong Lotus. So mas efficient ito, nasa 16 kilo pascals kasi yung pressure ng suction niya. Also, high and efficient motor, I do attest to that one. Even yung blower nila, kunti lang yung watts, may 1,000 watts pero madaling nasira. Ito, sa blower style nila, 600 watts pero napakataas ng RPM and as in talaga, so sulit na sulit. And then, blower function is yung high pitch na noise. So yung ibang vacuum kasi masakit sa tenga, ito is less lang. Same with the blower, yung hand crank blower, hindi masyadong masakit sa tenga. And then, I don't know if kita niyo. Ang bigat. So, great for garbage cleaning, great for kitchen cleaning. So, may spills ng milk, spills ng water on a carpeted siguro carpet or anything. Great for furniture, yes. So if masapa kayo sa bahay at ang hirap linisan, then this vacuum will do. And then for car cleaning, yes, if you want to DIY or do-it-yourself car cleaning, meron naman sa YouTube, marami pa rin sa YouTube na mga ano tawag dito, yung mga tutorials, and this vacuum will do job of removing that moisture or water sa car seats nyo. Sa loob, ito yung mga included accessories. So ito yung number 1 is yung crevice nozzle. Ito ang para sa mga kasulok-sulukan sa ating bahay. And anything that we're in mahirap na abutin talaga ng walis o yung ibang mga cleaning materials. And then itong number 2 is 1 to 1/4 inflation kit. So para ito sa mga, let's say may outdoor pool kayo or di kaya balloons, or it can be used as for blower also to increase the pressure when cleaning. And then in my number 3 is yung floor nozzle. Number 4 is yung gulper nozzle. So ito ang para sa ating wet function. Then number 5, ito yung 1.5 meters na hose. And then yung number 6 natin is yung cartridge filter for wet and dry vacuum. So ito lang yung dala niya. Yung ibang vacuum dyan, meron siyang anong tawag dito, extra filter, pero yung Lotus sadly is ito lang. But this will do the job naman. And then yung extension ones, based on the design niya, meron siyang handle, yung switch ng power, on and off, yung nozzle natin, yung suction nozzle, and then ito may wheels sa baba. This is for naglilinis ka instead of transferring the vacuum from one place to another, which is napaka-hassle. Ito naman is to gumagamit ka ng floor cleaning, and then you just want it to roll wherever you go. So it's a big plus. So let's go with the unboxing na. So meron tayong mga guides ito. Keep filters clean, never operate vacuum without filters. So tama naman. So galing. You have here your 1.5 meter tube. Yung ating manuals, yung warranty natin. Ito yung mga extension ones. So tatlo. So in total nasa around 1.5 meters yung haba niya. Yung ating wire, yung plug, and then the vacuum itself. Ito yung floor nozzle natin. Kung makikita mo, may ito ang ating crevice nozzle. And also, if you can notice, meron siyang mga, aside sa wheels, is meron siyang lalagyan sa ating mga nozzles is for portability use ito. And also, hindi siya, anong tawag dito, yung kahit saan mo lang nilalagay yung mga nozzle natin. So, meron siyang lalagyan. So, which is a great plus talaga. Push naman siya ng konti. Ayun, in place na siya. So, this is a great feature. So, tanggalin muna natin to. So, ito yung on and off switch. So, wala tayong variable speed. On, off lang siya. Napag-click. Ito yung suction blower. Sa gilid may mga locks. And then, ito yung ating filter na nasa vacuum na talaga. But, is it replaceable? Yes, ayan. Natatanggal siya. So ito yung motor natin, yung fan. So madali lang siya. Need mo lang siyang ang tawag dito. So naka-install na siya. Then yung ating cover. Ayan. Sa loob, ito ang yung wet nozzle natin. So maliit lang siya, but this is for wet use. And then atong yung mga blower para sa inflation nozzles. Sa loob, ito yung mga 4 na wheels niya. Ngayon ko lang na-realize, hindi naman siya ganun ka-sturdy, but based on the plastic material, I think this would last long naman. And parang, ano siya, trash can na pang vacuum style. Okay then. So, mag-install na tayo sa ating mga wheels. Alright. Lagay na natin. So, itong wheels ay magiging permanent. Medyo removable but you need a lot of force. So, pagkalagay natin, you need some pressure. Push mo lang siya until you get some click. Ayun. Push mo lang siya. Click. Okay, so install na yung ating wheels. So, napaka-smooth ng wheels niya. So, when you're vacuum cleaning, hindi mo siya ma-notice na you're dragging it already. So, ibalik na natin yung ating vacuum. May palatandaan dito or indicator kung saan mo siya malagay. Always make sure na ang itong suction or front nozzle niya at yung logo at itong on and off switch is nakaharap sila. And then first lagay mo lang to, click, ito na naman, click, and there it's locked. So meron siyang locking mechanism, so hindi mo basta-basta matatanggal ito. Ito for suction, push mo lang siya, ayan. And also, medyo nagro-rotate din ang ating hose para so this is a great feature din as well. Then paano mo tatanggalin? Push mo lang to. At tatanggal na siya. And then you can use it as a blower. Para sa blower if naglilinis ka with something that's too dusty like a PC. Ayan. Secured na siya for blower. So, ganun lang kadali. Okay, so ngayon magte-testing na tayo. Be sure na if you're using headphones or malakas na speakers, be sure lang to lower the volume kasi medyo maingay ito. So that was my review, unboxing, and testing ng ating 3 gallons na yung Lotus 3 gallon wet and dry vacuum 1100 watts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe sa aking channel, and comment down below your thoughts about this video. We'll discuss more on the comment section below. So thank you so much, guys, and I hope you like this video. Bye for now.